Hello and welcome back to the Oscar channel. Today I'm going to build a 24-volt car jump starter. My 12-volt car jump starter video got a lot of interest recently, and using these same cells for a truck jump starter is definitely possible, but trucks need a lot more current. Here I'm using 14 cells in a 2-parallel 7 series configuration. This setup can instantly deliver 700 amps, which is more than enough to jumpstart a truck. I've already do the case and installed the cells, ensuring each series is protected and isolated. Next, we'll place the batteries into the case and wire them in series. Place the 2 cells with the copper side on the left for the first parallel pair. For the second series, place the 2 cells with the aluminum side in the 3rd and 4th slots. For the series connections, we'll place dividers between the batteries and then use connecting strips to link them up. Once the batteries are set, we'll install the battery BMS, which is crucial for charging. The BMS balance leads are arranged like this. The first lead is black and connects here. The second is red, then the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and finally the 8th lead. That's a total of 8 leads connected. This completes all the bottom connections. These 2 large terminals are for the truck jumpstart interface. The battery's negative terminal is connected to one of these terminals with a wire. This thick red wire, model 35-10, connects to the 24-volt battery's positive terminal. Use nuts to secure the copper lugs onto the terminals. The 24-volt truck connection is now complete. With these connections made, the positive and negative terminals are directly linked to the battery's positive and negative. Next, we'll install the voltmeter and the phone charging power bank function. Going back to the BMS, there are 2 wires. One blue wire, which connects here, and one black wire. Where does the black wire connect? This one connects to the negative terminal of the charging port. From this single line, I've branched out 2, one for the negative of the DC 5525 port, and one for the negative of the voltmeter below. Then, from the 8th wire connected to the BMS, we'll take another wire, attach a copper lug, and run it to the XT60 connector. The red wire, similarly, branches into 2 red wires. One for the positive of the DC 5525, and one for the positive of the voltmeter. This is the final installed look. The top cover has integrated handle mounting holes. These front 2, one red and one black, are the truck jumpstart outputs. And just like that, the 24-volt truck jumpstarter is complete. What do you all think? If this tutorial helped with your new DIY project, don't forget I'm Oscar, an 8-year experienced battery engineer.